Be not afraid is a phrase that's written in the Bible over 100 times. It's actually the most common phrase in the Bible. And I believe it's written in lots of other spiritual books, like the Quran. Allah tells his prophets and followers to trust in him and to not be afraid during times of hardship. And in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna tells Arjuna not to be afraid and to trust that everything will be okay. And I just think it's a beautiful message. I sing Be Not Afraid, the psalm, in lots of masses and funerals. And I really like to sing it because it reassures me and it reassures the congregation to not be afraid and that everything will be okay. I think there's lots of news that comes out these days that's very negative, and it's easy to get caught up in negativity. And for me personally, I love to sing these hymns and also to share them with you, just to remind you that you've not to be afraid and that everything will be okay. So I hope you like my version of this song. Thank you. You shall cross the barren desert, but you shall not die of thirst. You shall wander far in safety, though you do not know the way. You shall speak your words to foreign men, and all will understand. You shall see the face of God and live. Be not afraid. I go before you always. Come, follow me, and I will give you rest. You shall pass through raging waters. In the sea you shall not drown.